Hey there, welcome back English learners. I'm Rashika, your language trainer. Guys, you have to agree with me that we all have best friend. Best friend who go together, eat together, travel together. Just like that, all words also have their best friend which come together and make our language crisp. So let's study them to make our language crisp. So are you ready guys? Let's begin. The first one is by and large. By and large का मतलब होता है काफ़ी हद तक, which means mostly or generally, but with few exceptions. Like for example, we are pleased by and large with our new showroom, but we will still go for remodeling of washroom once. मतलब हम काफ़ी हद तक तो खुश हैं न्यू शोरूम से, but still हम वॉशरूम की एक बार मॉडलिंग दोबारा करवाएंगे. Well, the next one is bits and pieces. Bits and pieces का मतलब होता है अलग अलग चीज़ें, like individual things. This means small individual things. For example, I finished the project in bits and pieces during my spare time. Now, what is the meaning of spare time? That means free time. Well, the next one here is hustle and bustle. Hustle bustle, chehel pehel. I'm sure you know it, a large amount of activity and work, usually in a noisy surrounding. For example, he moved to his parents' farm to have a break from the hustle and bustle of the big city. मतलब वो चहल पहल से दूर चला गया अपने मम्मी पापा के फार्म में. Well, the next one is more or less, लगभग. This means mostly, approximately or almost. Like for example, there are 100 people in the room, more or less, यानी कि लगभग 100 लोग हैं उस रूम के अंदर. Well, the next one here is part and parcel. This is already known to many of the people, and that means ज़रूरी. Part and parcel का मतलब ही ज़रूरी. An integral or essential piece. For example, regular maintenance is part and parcel of owning a car. Well, the next one is peace and quiet. Peace and quiet का मतलब होता है शांति. You may use it for a period of calm like silence, but especially after noise or any stress. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक noisy background में या noisy जगह पे होते हैं और उसके बाद हमें जो शांति मिलती है उस चीज़ के लिए we use peace and quiet. Like for example, why don't you all go and play outside? Your mother needs a bit of peace and quiet. Well, the next one is very famous among us and that is pros and cons. यानी कि किसी चीज़ के plus और minus points, the positive and the negative sides basically. For example, we need to look at the pros and cons of each system. Well, the next here is safe and sound. Safe and sound का मतलब होता है जब हम किसी danger से तो safe होते हैं, साथ ही साथ हम किसी injury से भी free होते हैं. For example, I won't be able to relax during this storm until I know that the kids are both safe and sound. यानी कि वो danger से भी safe हैं और free हैं किसी injury और harm से. Well, the next one is bumper to bumper. Bumper to bumper, जब हम भी जाम में खड़े होते हैं तो गाड़ियाँ बिल्कुल एकदम closely खड़ी होती है. They are very close together and there is no space between cars. So that is called bumper to bumper. Like for example, the traffic was bumper to bumper all the way home. The next one is sick and tired. That means annoyed or frustrated with something or someone. हम बहुत ज़्यादा irritate होते हैं किसी से to the point of losing one's temper or patience. और हम उस irritation में अपना patience lose कर लेते हैं. For example, she was sick and tired of her daughter pestering her to help her with her homework. What is the meaning of pestering? Pestering का मतलब होता है जब हम किसी को बार बार कोई चीज़ करने के लिए बोलते हैं. So she was sick and tired of her daughter who was insisting her to help her with her homework. So I hope you have understood these binomials guys. Keep using these binomials and observe your language getting crisp. Well, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.